How to save pictures from Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can save pictures from Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is open up your Facebook and make sure that you're logged in into your account. After you do that, head over to your profile, and if you want to download pictures from your profile, what you can do is you can open up your Facebook's profile right here, tap on your name, and then this should be your profile. Now right here you'll find your different sections, so head over to your photos. On your photo section, open up any photo that you want, and after you open up the photo, there you will see three dots on the top right. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, right there you will see save photo option. Tap on save photo and the photo will get saved on your photos or gallery, and it's that simple. So that's basically how you do it. Now in some photos which are available in your Facebook feed, you can download them as well, but the settings might be off for them. So yeah, just open up the photo, simply tap on it like I did, and tap on the three dots on the top right. After you do that, there you will see save photo, tap on it, and you will be able to save other photos as well. And that's basically how you save pictures from Facebook to your gallery. Thanks for watching guys, that is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.